Hello people, I'm Slim. Welcome back to the Slim Bob YouTube channel. We're on the way to get the subs put into the truck, so why don't you come with me? And let's just have a cool Bassin day. What do you think, huh? Alright, let's go for a ride. Really been looking forward to getting these subs put in. Put in an appointment, called Creative, and man, they didn't have an appointment for weeks. I've been waiting almost a month to get the truck in. Super excited to get it in there though. Just a reminder, we're going to be putting the two JL TW3s under the back seat. We got an audio control 1.800 monoblock. Gonna do a custom box. Creative's gonna get it taken care of for us. Super stoked. I'm gonna stop by the old McDonald's. Get some breakfast for the crew over here at Creative. Gotta make sure you take care of your boys if they're gonna take care of you. Yes, I'd like to get 5 number 4s. Perfect. Thank you so much. All right, guys, it's the next morning. We got done a little after dark last night with the install, checking it all out. But so I couldn't see it very well, couldn't see the install. But I'll tell you what, the guys over at Creative did a fantastic job. And my neighbor's over there blowing weeds, blowing leaves, so you may not be able to see it, or hear me. Anyway, if you can't tell, I'm super excited to show you guys this. I was able to hear it last night, and it was awesome on the drive home, but I couldn't see it very well. I kind of got the gist of it, but let me just show you. This is amazing. So we took out the under seat storage. You can see that's where the box is, right? Look at that. Lift this up and I'll show you. Man, this thing is beautiful. Boy, the guys over at Creative really did a damn good job, didn't they? Fits perfectly under the seat. We put grills on there since it's going to be with the subs firing up. You can see the JL 12 TW3s. He did an awesome job putting the JL logo right there in the middle. And one of the coolest things that I didn't even notice until later, this whole box is carpet. There are no seams. All the seams are hidden underneath. And anybody that's carpeted a box before, you know that's not easy to do. You can see the wire there going back to the amplifier. Oh man, this thing is just beautiful. Fits perfectly with the seats down. If I can get those down. Right over that grill. What do you guys say? We take this for a ride, huh? Yeah, let's go. All right, as you guys know, copyrighted music can't be played on YouTube, so I'm gonna play some stuff you probably don't know. Probably gonna play some stuff that is gonna be a little unfamiliar because I'm just cutting into the right spots so that it's just the bass, but we're gonna do what we can do. Let's see what she's got. What do you think, guys? Made it back, went for a little cruise, fixed myself a drink. Oh man, that sounded great. Again, I wanted to thank all the guys over at Creative. That was awesome. But I think I'm gonna end the video here, and I'm gonna go play some more. Thanks to Audio Control, JL, Down for Sound. They all got me set up with the equipment. Creative did the install, of course. But that's gonna be it for right now. I'm gonna go enjoy my drink. I'm gonna go watch me some football. I'm going to stand here in the dark for a second. There we go. But until next time, guys, I want to say thank you for watching. Check out my other videos. But until next time, y'all have a good one. Thanks.